So I will be covering all art installations in iLight 2022 with artistic description, so feel free to pause and read them if you like. Starting from MotherEARTH, it's definitely one of my favorite as these projections are made from weather data collected. Moving along, I also stumbled upon the light show outside MBS that is really spectacular for tourists and locals alike. Next up, we have plastic whales that tells us about the trash in the sea and how animals have to live with them. And the Apple Dome definitely adds a nice touch to the festivals, especially with the trees inside. While continuing the sidetrack, there's this amazing street performance and also Gastro beats with food and live bands. With here and there, we have this circular seesaw that portrays the balance of social and political issues. Not easy, huh? The eyes of the sea is something different as we explore how plastic waste accumulates in the ocean, made like waves above us, overlapping the skies. Right by the bayside, we have Live More, Waste Less, which tackles the issue of food wastage, which urges not to be picky on weird looking food. Ruffled Ice tells us about the excessive use of plastic and how it changes the environment, like melting icebergs. And right beside Light Canvas is an attractive one where we can draw with lights, showing us our fleeting presence changing the world, for better or worse. Alone Together is a throwback to the recluse Covid times where people stayed in. There are activities for us to choose, just like how we are doing different things when we are staying in, collectively. And I got distracted for a bit. Collective Memory is a shout out to the OCD days where the 90s kids could relate to, and the Sheamus really adds a retro touch. Keep on Moving, inspired by a photography technique, is definitely a clever way of showing movement with something that's not moving. Firefly Field enchants us by mimicking natural bioluminescence. This one really takes the cake as I stayed here, awed by its magic. Made with recyclable foil that taunt the sea, Shish-Ka-Buoy is a playful twist to create lights on land, and this one certainly stands out. Fallen is a cautionary tale of a cosmic jellyfish where it fell onto Earth due to overconsumption of cosmic garbage. This one certainly sends a strong message. SWANS, made from satellite dishes, tells us about the ever-growing mass media and how they shape the world. Florescentia mimics the movements of the florals, how fleeting blooming is, and how often we take things for granted. And have we not stopped and see the world? So we managed to get a little break, enjoying the cityscape with our national mascot along Jubilee Bridge to its Esplanade Park. Scribble Jam aims to redefine graffiti in an environmentally friendly way. Meet Me Under the Moon tries to bring people together with a poetic touch. Underworld, inspired by a Swedish fishing village, are made from discarded fishing nets, tells the tale of our fragile marine ecosystem. Bondfire celebrates the social interactions again, giving rise to more connections, like how stories are shared. Lastly, React waves lights across the steps, gesturing sea levels / untreated sewage, seeping to harm Earth. With that, I concluded iLights. It was nice to see how messages are shared through thought-provoking artistic installations, where each one tells a different story. Like MotherEARTH, it really shows how turbulent the climate is, but also how beautiful nature can be. And the ever-changing art makes it really intriguing to look at. And also how these makeshift fireflies might be all we have if we continue harming the ecosystem and causing them to go extinct. So let's come together and build a better world. I hope you guys enjoy. Bye!